This is the word I need you guys to add to your vocabulary. Parents, hopefully they're going to hold you accountable to this. I do it in my...
Today I would like to give a big loud thank you to all the teachers who have helped me learn to multiply, do division, and most importantly, teach me how to be respectful, responsible, and caring. Not only that, but also make us feel welcome here and make us feel like we matter.
Positive attitude. A helpful display el nombre con la fecha atrás. Son muy especiales y especiales. They are receiving the first class of 5th grade.
Aiden Medina.
Fue muy importante para nosotros para que ellos hicieran este proceso porque ellos entienden que ser bilingüe es importante no nomás en la escuela, pero en su vida. So 22 of our students in the 5th grade class received their bilingual seal today. They received a certificate and most of them have been in the bilingual program, dual language at Doñana since kindergarten.
To not procrastinate as much and don't, you may, I call it FOMO, the fear of missing out. And oh, my friends are going out tonight, I want to go out tonight, but I have this project due and it's so important. Just learning how to discipline yourself really well and knowing boundaries and limits can really get you to your goals.